Hello everyone, welcome to the Laravel tips and tricks. So today video is about how you can generate the resource for the APIs. So what is the syntax and what is the advantage of using generating these resource from the command line. So first let's give it a read. When declaring resource route that will be consumed by APIs, you will commonly want to exclude routes that present HTML template such as create and edit. So basically you don't want to generate the create and edit route for your APIs, right? So how you can avoid these routes, and by the way, how you can use this type of resource? So by typing this API resource, so then you can use this resource, okay? And then how you can generate the resource without create and edit. So now let's go to the controller. By the way, if you are not familiar with the resource, you can watch my previous videos where I completely explain that how you can create the resource, how to create the nested resource, how to edit their names, how to edit their parameters, how to change their scope, how to change their verbs and stuff like that. So these are very helpful videos, so you can check them out. I will add the link in the description. So here the command is php artisan. We are going to create the API controller, make controller. Okay, make controller. And by the way, you can also specify the API controller into the API directory, but it's your personal preference. So here I'm going to create the user. No, I'm not going to create the user controller. So what is the controller given here? I'm going to create the photos controller, right? So you can generate any of the controller, photo controller. Okay, and then you need to add a flag of API. So now Laravel know that this is the API route, so it should exclude the create and edit from this resource. So now hit enter, photo controller, and let's take eye on this app directory, http controllers, and in the controller there is a photo controller. So let's go to this photo controller. There is an index method and there is a store, and there is no create method. So there is a show method, there is update and just try. So also there is no edit method. So in this way you can skip edit and create, right? Okay, so now question arises that this is a command of generating the API controller. So now the query comes that how you can open these type of nested routes. So now let me go to the api.php file, and here I'm going to comment this out and I'm going to generate my own resource. So here you need to first type the route, and then you need to type API resource. If you have only single resource, so you need to just type resource. Don't type this resources. This is used for multiple resources. When you have like, let me go to the documentation, like you have a photos resource, you have a post resource. So you need to call this API resources and pass the array and pass these your resources too, right? But in this case we have only one, so we need to type only resource. Okay, and then in this resource I'm going to create the photos resource, so that's why I'm typing photos, and then we need to specify the photo controller, right? And then let's add this class, and this is added at the top, right? This one. Okay, so now if I go here and visit this php artisan route list, which is used to print the list of routes. So here I'm going to view this list, and yes, now it's going to api/photos, api/photos store show. There is no method of create and edit, right? So in this way you can use this API resource. So you can also generate the nested resource, photos.comment. So it's totally upon you. How URL will be generated, photos/photo id, comment/comment id. So you can also scope these resource. So you can watch my previous videos where I completely explain each and everything, like how you can do this in your with your resources. So if you want to get regular updates at 11 AM according to the Pakistan time, subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell icon, so you will be get notified daily at 11 AM. So I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.